Lesson 1. Where are you from?
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I am from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lesson 2. Do you speak English?
Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I am a student too.
Lesson 3. What's your name?
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
John.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5:10 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Lesson 4. Asking directions.
Hi, Michael.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure. It's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there is a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Lesson 5. I'm hungry. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Bite Sarah, umeze ute?
Fine. How are you doing?
Meze neza, wowe umeze ute?
Okay.
Meze neza.
What do you want to do?
Ushaka gukora iki?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Ndashonje, numvaga nshaka kugira icyo ndya.
Where do you want to go?
Ushaka kujya kurira hehe?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
Numva nshaka kujya kurira muri resitora y'Abataliyani.
What kinds of Italian food do you like?
Ni ibihe biryo by'Abataliyani ukunda?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
Nkunda spaghetti. Ukunda spaghetti nawe?
No, I don't. But I like pizza.
Oya, nazo nkunda. Ariko nkunda pizza.
Lesson 6. Do you want something to drink? David, would you like something to eat?
Davis, hari ikintu cyo kurya waba ushaka?
No, I'm full.
Oya, ndahazi.
Do you want something to drink?
Hari icyo kunywa se ushaka?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Ego, nshaka ko wampa ikawa.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
Ubabarire, nta kawa mfite.
That's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
Ntaribi. Zanira ikirahure cy'amazi.
A small glass or a big one?
Ikirahure gitoya cyangwa kinini?
Small, please.
Nzanira igitoya.
Here you are.
Mwakire.
Thanks.
Murakoze.
You're welcome.
Namwe murakoze.
Lesson 7. That's too late. Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Mary, wareka tukaza gusangira?
Okay. When?
Okay. Ryari?
At 10 o'clock.
Saa yine zuzuye.
10 o'clock in the morning?
Saa yine za mu gitondo?
No, at night.
Oya, zo mu ijoro.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Sha, oya, aho bwaba bwije, mu bisanzwe ndyama mu masaa yine.
Okay, how about 1:30?
Okay, none se urabibona gute dusangiye nka saa saba n'igice?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
Oya, aho nanone haba hakiri kare cyane. Izo samba nkiri ku kazi.
How about 5 p.m.?
None se saa 11 byo urabibona gute z'umugoroba?
That's fine.
Aho nta ribi.
Okay, see you then.
Okay, ubwo rero tuze gusubira.
All right. Bye.
Sawa, urabeho.
Lesson 8. Choosing a time to meet. Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me?
Jennifer, wareka tukaza gusangira ibya nijoro?
Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go?
Yego, aho byaba ari sawa. Ushaka ko tuza gusangira ryari?
Is today okay?
Uyu munsi hari icyo byaba bigutwaye?
Sorry, I can't go today.
Unyihanganire, uyu munsi ntibyakunda.
How about tomorrow night?
Urabibona gute se tugiye ejo nijoro?
Okay. What time?
Sawa, saa ngapi se?
Is 9 p.m. all right?
Saa 3 z'ijoro hari icyo byaba bigutwaye?
I think that's too late.
Ndumva aho bwaba bwije cyane.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Saa 12 se hari iribi?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
Yego, aho ndumva byaba ari sawa. Ushaka ko tuzajya kurira he?
The Italian restaurant on 5th Street.
Kuri resitora y'Abataliyani iri ku muhanda wa 5.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
Oh, iya resitora ntago nyikunda. Sinshaka kujyayo.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Resitora y'Abanyakoreya se byegeranye urayibona ute?
Okay, I like that place.
Ke, hariya aho ndahakunda.
Lesson 9. When do you want to go? Hi, Mark.
Uraho Mark.
Hi.
Uraho.
What are you planning to do today?
Uyu munsi urapanga kuza gukora iki?
I'm not sure yet.
Ja, sindabimenya.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Wareka tukaza gusangira ibya saa sita?
Yes. When?
Yego. Ryari?
Is 11:30 a.m. okay?
Nka saa 5 n'igice hari iribi?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
Uti? Ntabwo nakumvise. Wanyemerera ukansubiriramo?
I said 11:30 a.m.
Nari mvuze ngo saa 5 n'igice za mu gitondo.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we go a little later?
Oh, ndi mu bintu byinshi. Wareka tukaza kujyayo nyuma yaho gatoya.
Okay. How about 12:30 p.m.?
Okay. Saa sita n'igice se hari iribi?
Okay. Where?
Okay. Turabira hehe rero?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Urabibona gute tugiye kuri resitora yitwa Seafood?
Oh, where is that?
Oh, iyo se iherereye hehe?
It's on 7th Street.
Iri ku muhanda wa 7.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Okay, ubwo ndaza kuhagusanga.
Lesson 10. Ordering food. Hello, sir. Welcome to the French Garden Restaurant. How many?
Muraho ba nyakubahwa, murakaze neza kuri resitora ya French Garden. Muri bangahe?
1.
Ndi umwe.
Right this way, sir. Please have a seat. Your waitress will you in a moment.
Muce hano. Mube mwicaye. Umuseriveri wanyu araba bagezeho mu kanya gatoya.
Hello, sir. Would you like to order now?
Muraho ba nyakubahwa, mushaka guhita mutanga komande nonaha?
Yes, please.
Yego.
What would you like to drink?
Mwifuza kunywa iki?
What do you have?
Mufite iki?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
Dufite amazi yo mu macupa, ji na coca.
I'll have a bottle of water, please.
Oh, munzanire icupa ry'amazi.
What would you like to eat?
Mwifuza kurya iki?
I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.
Munzanire umugati wa sandwich uri mu ifi hamwe n'agasorori k'isupu y'imboga.
Lesson 11. Now or later. Chris, where are you going?
Chris, ugiye hehe?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
Ngiye ku iduka, hari akantu nshaka kugura.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Serious se? Nanjye nshaka kujya ku iduka.
Would you like to come with me?
Ushaka ko tujyana?
Yeah, let's go together.
Yego, reka tujyane.
Would you like to go now or later?
Tugende nonaha cyangwa tuze kuba tugenda?
Now.
Nonaha?
What?
Ngwiki?
Now would be better.
Nonaha nibwo byaba ari byiza.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, reka tugende.
Should we walk?
Tugende n'amaguru.
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Ya, ni kure, reka tugende n'imodoka.
Lesson 12. Do you have enough money? Laura, what are you going to do today?
Laura, uyu munsi ufite izihe gahunda?
I'm going shopping.
Ngiye kujya guhaha.
What time are you leaving?
Uragenda saa ngapi se?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Ndagenda nko mu masaa 10.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store?
Ese waza kungurira sandwich ya jambo?
Okay.
Sawa.
Do you have enough money?
Amafaranga ufite arahagije?
I'm not sure.
Simbyizeye.
How much do you have?
Ufite angahe se?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
Amadolari 25. Urakeka ahagije?
That's not very much.
ayo si menshi cyane.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Ariko ndumva ntacyo bitwaye kuko mfite n'amakarita abiri ya banki.
Let me give you another $10.
Reka nguhe andi madolari 10.
Thanks. See you later.
Urakoze, turaza gusubira.
Bye.
Urabeho.
Lesson 13. How have you been? Hello, Richard.
Muraho Risha.
Hi, Karen.
Uraho nawe Karen.
How have you been?
Wari umeze ute se?
Not too good.
Ntago ari neza cyane.
Why?
Kubera iki?
I'm sick.
Ndarwaye.
Sorry to hear that.
Yo, mwihangane.
It's okay. It's not serious.
Oya ntaribi, ntibiri grave.
That's good. How's your wife?
Aho ni sawa, umugore wawe se ameze ate?
She's good.
Ameze neza.
Is she in America now?
Ubu ari muri Amerika?
No. She's not here yet.
Oya, ntabwo arahagera.
Where is she?
Ari hehe se?
She's in Canada with our kids.
Ari muri Canada hamwe n'abana bacu.
I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Ndabyumva. Reka rero ngende. Ndakwingiza kunsuhuriza umugore wawe.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Ndaza kuvugisha nyuma.
I hope you feel better.
Reka nizere kuza kumera neza.
Thanks.
Urakoze.
Lesson 14. Introducing a friend. Robert, this is my friend, Mrs. Smith.
Robert, iyi ni inshuti yanjye, umugore wa Smith.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Muraho, nishimiye guhura nawe.
Nice to meet you too.
Natwe twishimiye guhura nawe.
Mrs. Smith, what do you do for work?
Madam Smith, ukora kahe kazi?
I'm a doctor.
Ndi dogiteri.
Oh, where do you work?
Ukora hehe se?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
Nkora mu bitaro by'umujyi wa New York. Ukora iki?
I'm a teacher.
Ndi umwarimu.
What do you teach?
Wigisha iki?
I teach English.
Wigisha Icyongereza.
Where?
Hehe se?
At a high school in New Jersey.
Muri segonderi muri New Jersey.
That's nice. How old are you?
Ndumva ari byiza. Ufite imyaka ingahe?
I'm 32.
Imyaka 32.
Lesson 15. Buying a shirt. Excuse me.
Mutwihanganire gato.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Muraho banyakubahwa. Twabafasha.
Yes. Can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please?
Yego, warese nkareba iriya shati iri kuri etajeri hejuru?
Sure. Here it is.
Yego, dore ngiyi.
How much does it cost?
Igura ngahe?
$50.
Amadolari 50.
$50. That's too much.
Amadolari 50 ko numva ari menshi.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $35.
Wakwiguriye iyi ngiyi se ko yigura amadolari 35.
I don't like that one.
Oya, iyo ntabwo nayikunze.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
Se iriya iri impande ya ga z'umukara urayibona ute? Kandi isa neza niyo wakunze.
That's nice. How much is it?
Iriya ndabona ari nziza. Igura ngahe se yo?
$30.
Igura amadolari 30.
That'll be fine.
Oh, ayo ndumva ari sawa.
Is this color okay? Or would you like a different color?
Iri bara warikunze cyangwa ushaka irindi bara ritari iri?
That blue one's fine.
Iriya y'ubururu ni sawa.
Do you need any more of these shirts?
Hari andi mashati nk'iyi waba ushaka?
Yes.
Yego.
How many do you want?
Kangahe?
I'll take 2 more. A red one and a white one.
Ndatwara ndabiri. Iy'umutuku n'iy'umweru.
Lesson 16. Asking about location. Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Munyihanganire gato, ndi gushaka ahantu hari inzu bajya bakoreramo ibiruhuko. Wandangira hiri?
Sure. It's down this street on the left.
Yego, irepfiriya kuri uyu muhanda mu kuboko kw'ibumoso.
Is it far from here?
Haba ari kure uvuye hano?
No, it's not far.
Oya, ntabwo ari kure.
How far is it?
Hareshya gute se?
About a mile and a half.
Ni mayiro imwe n'igice.
How long does it take to get there?
Bisaba igihe kingana iki kugira ngo umuntu ahagere?
5 minutes or so.
Ni nk'iminota 5 cyangwa irengaho mike.
Is it close to the subway station?
Haba ari hafi y'aho gari ya moshi ziparika?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Yego, ni hafi cyane, biregeranye. Aho gari ya moshi ziparika ni hirya gato ya hoteli, wahagenda n'amaguru.
Thanks a lot.
Urakoze cyane.
Lesson 17. Do you know the address? Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the mall?
Munyihanganire gato. Mwandangira kuri alimentation?
Sure. I used to work there. Go straight for about a mile. Then turn left at the light. The mall will be on your right.
Yego, narahakoze. We komeza uyu muhanda nko mu kilometero kimwe. Nurangiza ukata ibumoso kuri feruje. Alimentation urahita uyibona iburyo bwawe.
Do you know the address?
Uzi adresse zaho neza?
Yes. The address is 541 Main Street.
Yego, adresse zaho ni 541 ku muhanda mukuru.
Can you write it down for me, please?
Wambabariye ukazinyandikira?
No problem.
Nta ribi.
Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue?
nciye ku muhanda wa Highland sibwo nahagera vuba?
No, that way is longer. There are more stoplights on that street.
Oya. Uciye hariya haba ari kure. Habamo amatara menshi ya feruje muri uriya muhanda.
I think you're right. Thank you.
Banza uri mukuri. Urakoze.
Lesson 18. Vacation to Canada. What's today's date?
Uyu munsi turi itariki zingahe?
It's July 5th.
Turi kuri 5 z'ukwa karindwi.
When are you going on vacation?
Uzajya mu biruhuko ryari?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Nzagenda ku cyumweru. Tuzajya muri Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Seriously? Ejo bundi? Ndumva ari vuba.
Yeah, I know.
Igusha, ndabizi.
How long are you going to stay there?
Uzamarayo igihe kingana iki?
About 2 weeks.
Tuzamarayo nk'ibyumweru 2.
When are you coming back?
Ubwo se muzagaruka ryari?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
Nzagaruka ku itariki 17.
All right. Have a nice trip.
Okay. Uzagire rero urugendo rwiza.
Lesson 19. Who is that woman? Joseph. Who is that woman?
Joseph, uriya mugore ninde?
That's Susan.
Uriya ni Suzanne.
What does she do for work?
Ese akora iki?
She's a lawyer.
Ni umwavoka.
Is she American?
Ni umunyamerika?
No, but she speaks English fluently.
Oya, ariko avuga icyongereza adategwa.
She's really tall. Do you know her?
Yakoze ni muremure. Uramuzi?
Yes, I know her. We're friends.
Yego, ndamuzi, turi inshuti.
Who's that man standing next to her?
Uriya mugabo ninde se uhagaze hirya ye?
Which man?
Uwuhe mugabo se?
That short guy on her right. What's his name?
Uriya mugabo mugufi uhagaze iburyo bwe. Izina rye ni irihe?
Oh, that's Matt.
Uriya ni Matt.
He's really good looking.
Cyaze asa neza.
Yeah.
Ego kweri.
Do you know him?
Uramuzi?
I don't know him, but I think my sister does.
Ntabwo muzi, ariko ndakeka mushiki wanjye muzi.
Is he married?
Arubatse, afite umugore?
Yes, he's married.
Yego, arubatse.
I remember now. I've met him before.
Mpise mwibuka. Nigeze guhura nawe mbere.
Lesson 20. Common questions. Brian, do you know how to speak English?
Brian, uzi kuvuga icyongereza?
Yes.
Yego.
Where did you learn?
Wakigiye he?
I learned in college.
Nakize muri kaminuza.
You speak very well.
Cyazo kivuga neza cyane.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
How long have you been in the US?
Umaze igihe kingana iki uba muri USA?
3 weeks.
Mpamaze ibyumweru bitatu.
Is your wife with you?
Umugore wawe muri kumwe nawe hano muri Amerika?
Yes. She just got here yesterday.
Yego, we yahageze ejo.
Have you been to California before?
Wari wagera muri California na rimwe?
No, I've never been there.
Oya, sindahagera na rimwe.
Have you been to Las Vegas?
Ese wari wagera muri Las Vegas?
Yes, I went there once on a business trip.
Yego, nigeze kuhajya rimwe mu rugendo rw'akazi.
Lesson 21. The supermarket is closed. Jeff, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me?
Jeff, ngiye kuri alimentation. Urashaka kujyana nanjye?
I think the supermarket is closed now.
Ndakeka ubu alimentation yafunze.
Oh, when does it close?
Oh, ifunga saa ngapi?
It closes at 7 on Sundays.
Ku cyumweru ifunga saa moya z'ijoro.
That's too bad.
Oh la la.
Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It opens at 8.
Ariko ntugire ikibazo, dushobora kujya ejo mu gitondo ifungura saa 2.
All right. What do you want to do now?
Okay, sawa. Ubu se ushaka gukora iki ubu?
Let's take a walk for a half an hour. My sister will be here at 8:30, and then we can all go out to dinner.
Reka tube dutembera nk'iminota 30. Mushiki wanjye ataha mu masaa 2:30 araba ageze hano, noneho nyuma yaho dushobora kuza kujyana gusangira ibya nijoro.
Where does she live?
Aba hehe se?
She lives in San Francisco.
Aba muri San Francisco.
How long has she lived there?
Amaze igihe kingana iki se ari hatuye?
I think she's lived there for about 10 years.
Ndumva amaze nk'imyaka 10 ari hatuye.
That's a long time. Where did she live before that?
Sha ndumva hamaze igihe, none se mbere yuko ajya San Francisco yabaga he?
San Diego.
Yabaga muri San Diego.
Lesson 22. Do you have any children? Charles, do you have any children?
Charles, ese hari abana ugira?
Yes.
Yego.
How many children do you have?
Ufite abana bangahe?
I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
Mfite abana babiri, umuhungu n'umukobwa.
What are their names?
Bitwa bande?
Jack and Stephanie.
Jacques hamwe na Stephanie.
How old are they?
bafite imyaka ingahe?
Stephanie is 18 and Jack is 24.
Stephanie afite 18, Jack nawe afite 24.
Are they in school?
Bariga.
Stephanie is. She goes to college in Washington and Jack works in Florida.
Stephanie niwe wiga. Yiga muri kaminuza muri Washington. Jack nawe akora muri Florida.
What does Stephanie study?
Stephanie yiga iki?
She studies English.
Yiga Icyongereza.
Is she here now?
Ubu ari inaha?
No, she's at school.
Oya, ari ku ishuri.
Lesson 23. Help with pronunciation. William, do you like studying English?
William, ukunda kwiga Icyongereza?
I like studying English, and I can read well, but speaking can be difficult.
Nkunda kwiga Icyongereza kandi nzi gusoma neza, ariko kuvuga birangora.
It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly.
Humura si bibi cyane, nimba ukunda kuganira n'inshuti zawe z'Abanyamerika buri munsi, uzahita ukiga ukimenye vuba.
Can I ask you a question?
Nakubaza ikibazo?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Nta ribi. Ni iki ushaka kumenya?
I have my book from class here. How do you say this word?
Mfite igitabo cyanjye cyo ku ishuri. Iri jambo wamenyera barisoma gute?
Laptop.
Basoma ngo laptop.
Sorry, I don't understand. What does that mean?
Unyihanganire. Ntabwo nsobanukiwe icyo bishatse kuvuga. Bisobanura iki?
A laptop is a type of computer that you can carry with you. Do you understand?
Laptop ni ubwoko bwa computer ushobora kugendana. Noneho urabisobanukiwe? Urabyumvise neza?
Yes, I think so. Can you say it again?
Yego, ndakeka mbisobanukiwe. Wansubiriramo?
Laptop.
Laptop.
Laptop. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Laptop. Ese ndivuze neza?
Yes, that's right. That's very good.
Yego, ibyo nibyo. Ni ukuri ubivuze neza cyane, ni byiza.
Thanks. And this word? How do you pronounce this?
Urakoze. Iri jambo naryo se wamenyera barivuga gute?
That word is pronounced kitchen.
Iryo jambo barivuga ngo kitchen, kitchen cyangwa se gikoni.
Thanks so much. You're a good teacher.
Urakoze cyane. Sha, uri umwarimu mwiza.
Thanks.
Urakoze nawe.
Lesson 24. I lost my wallet. Hey, how's it going?
Yewe, bimeze bite?
Not good. I lost my wallet.
Sha, ntabwo ari neza kabisa. Nabuze ikofi yanjye.
Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen?
sha wihangane bayibye.
No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi.
Ndakeka yavuye mu mufuka iragwa igihe narindi muri taxi.
Is there anything I can do?
Ese hari icyo nakora ngo nyibone?
Can I borrow some money?
Wareka nkakuguza amafaranga?
Sure. How much do you need?
Yego nta kibazo. Ukeneye angahe?
About $50.
Nk'amadolari 50.
That's no problem.
Aho nta ribi.
Thanks. I'll pay you back on Friday.
Urakoze, nzayakwishyura ku wa gatanu.
That'll be fine. Here you are.
Aho ni sawa. Akira ngaya.
What are you going to do now?
Ubusa ugiye gukora iki?
I'm going to buy some books. And then I'm going to the gas station.
Ibitabo ngiye kugura nindangiza mpite njya kuri sitasiyo.
If you wait a minute, I can go with you.
Wihanganye gato nk'umunota naguherekeza.
Okay. I'll wait for you.
Ndagutegereje rero.
Lesson 25. Phone call at work. Hello?
Muraho.
Hi. Is James there, please?
Muraho. James arahari?
Yes. Who's calling?
Yego, ninde tuvugana?
Linda.
Irinda.
One moment, please.
Mube mwihanganyeho gatoya.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, James. It's Linda.
Ite James, uyu ni Linda muvugana.
Hi, Linda.
Ubite Linda.
What are you doing now?
Ubu urimo urakora iki?
I'm working.
Ndi mu kazi.
Are you busy?
Urahuze?
Yes. It's been really busy here all day.
Igosha hano akazi kaba katubanye kenshi umunsi wose.
What time do you get off work?
Ese uva ku kazi sangapi?
8:30 p.m.
Saa 2:30 z'umugoroba.
I'll call you back after 8:30 p.m.
Okay, ubwo ndaza kuguhamagara saa 2:30 z'umugoroba.
Okay, talk to you later.
Sawa, tuze kuvugana.
Bye bye.
Murabeho.